Guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making popcorn ice cream. So if you want to know how I make it, please stay tuned. As you can see, our popcorn is ready. So we bring out our blender, we add the popcorn into our blender, go in with full cup of milk. After adding it, you notice that the popcorn is going down. What you have to do is to add more popcorn. Add it already, add as much as you want. Then the next thing is to go in again with another milk. Then add the milk and add popcorn. Press it down, cover it and took it to your mixer. You are going to blend it until it is well smooth and nice. Blend it already, make sure it is well blended, nice and okay. As you can see, it is well blended. We bring it down and we are going to bring out our siphon cloth and we are going to pour it inside. We are going to filter it until it is well filtered and nice. Make sure it is well placed. Make sure you get out the excess juice inside because we need the juice. Then after that, what you have to do is to go in with milk because the corn was so thick. So we transfer it into a gas, pour it into your pot, and you have to stir cook it. Then after putting it in your gas, you have to go in with 1 spoon of butter. Then add the 1 spoon of butter and mix and combine together. Mix it already, make sure it is well mixed, nice and okay. Make sure that it is mixed till the butter is well melt and nice dissolved. After enough cooking, as you can see, it is well melt and nice. So we are going to transfer it and bring it down. Pour it back to your bowl again. Then we go in with 4 cup of powder spoon, 4 cup of spoon powder milk. We add it inside. After adding the powder milk, we are going to stir it until it is well combined. If it's too thick, you can add milk or water. Then after that, then I mix again. Then the next thing is for me to go in with sugar. I use 2 spoons of sugar inside. Then go in with sugar. Mix it until the powder milk is well dissolved before you now go in with your sugar. Make sure it is well mixed and combined. If you are watching my video to this extent, what are you waiting for? Why don't you follow me on my Facebook page? And if you are watching from my YouTube channel, please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and also drop me your beautiful comment. So mix it. As you can see, I was adding milk because it was thick. Because one thing about this popcorn ice cream, immediately you put it on the fire, it's going to be thick. But due to I don't want mine to be over thick and I don't want to pour it in a container, so I have to add water or milk so that I can be able to light. So add the sugar and mix thoroughly until the sugar is well dissolved. Go in with vanilla essence. Then after that, we go in with condensed milk. Mix until the vanilla essence is well mixed and dissolved and nice together. Then the next thing is to go in with our condensed milk, my homemade condensed milk. Go and try it. So easy and so amazing. So add the condensed milk, mix until it is well combined together. Then the next thing we are going to test, guys, this popcorn ice cream tastes so amazing. Is it the aroma of the popcorn that was inside? Is it the powder? Everything about this popcorn ice cream is so yummy, so amazing, and it's so nice. It tastes like other ice cream. Transfer it into your ice cream ready pop and cover it. Make sure it is well transferred and it is well add. Be careful so that it will not spread out while pouring it inside. So I have leftover, so I later use my ice cream leather to add the remaining one inside. So add your ice cream stick, add it already, make sure it is well add and nice. Then the next thing is to put it into our fridge and we are going to allow it to broke. So after a while, so we bring it out our popcorn ice cream is ready. This popcorn ice cream, we drag it. My children drag it. The popcorn ice cream was so yummy, guys. Go and try it. Your kids will love it, and you will also fall in love with this popcorn ice cream. So easy, so simple, so yummy, and so delicious. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, and don't forget to also drop your comments. I will see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.